I've been trying out Pydantic AI, and I'll admit, I thought it was just another AI wrapper/tool. But then I built an agent that not only accepted structured input, but validated it, ran logic, and output structured data reliably. That turnkey reliability moment hooked me in. So what is Pydantic AI? It's a Python-based agent framework built by the creators of Pydantic. Think of it as a foundation for building production-ready AI agents that are type-safe, modular, and work across models. Here's how it plays out. You define an agent with a model, say OpenAI or Gemini, and wrap the expected output in a Pydantic model. Every time the agent runs, its responses are validated and parsed into that structure. No more guessing or parsing raw text. You can inject dependencies, attach tools dynamically, and even stream outputs, all while keeping everything clean and type-safe. What makes it stand out? First, reliability and structure. Your agent doesn't just spit text, it returns a Python object you can trust. Second, model-agnostic flexibility. You can swap between LLMs like OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Mistral, and more using a unified interface. Third, optional observability. You can hook it into tracing systems that log your agent runs for debugging and performance monitoring. Speed-wise, once your agent structure is solid, building powerful multi-step workflows or tool-based agents happens fast. This modular setup means you're not reinventing input parsing or error handling every time. And because it plays nicely with dependency injection, your code stays clean as your agent logic grows. But it's not all perfect. For starters, you'll need Python knowledge. It's a back-end developer's tool, not a no-code playground. Setting up the Pydantic models and agents takes some upfront work. If you're used to prompt tinkering, this structure might feel heavy at first. Debugging is safer, sure, but a misconfigured model or invalid schema can lead to agent errors that require careful tracing. And while the streaming plus validation is slick, it means you're giving up some spontaneity for structure. So who is Pydantic AI ideal for? If you're building LLM-powered services like task agents, assistants, or automated tools, and you're serious about robustness, scaling, and observability, this is a perfect fit. But if you just need quick ad hoc outputs or simple prompt-based answers, you might find the setup overhead unnecessary. My verdict? Pydantic AI isn't just flashy AI. It's a developer-first framework designed to bring discipline and production readiness to agent applications. It trades some spontaneity for control. But if you're building systems that need reliability, composability, and maintainability, you'll love it. Tried it yet? Share how it's shaping your workflow. I read every comment. If this helped, a like and subscribe means more honest breakdowns are coming your way. Catch you next time.